Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing for a dune run. Load oxygen, top up 20 fuel units, and fit a mining laser with 2 spare modules so you won't stall. Once done, use your surface scanner to identify the dune biome and mark coordinates. This saves time when you return. Make sure you have at least 10 inventory slots free and a scanner upgrade installed, because mobility and detection increase yield and prevent wasted trips. You now locate titanium. Scan the terrain for metallic signatures where density spikes. Those clustered deposits are your target because they yield multiple veins. Next, approach the dune at low altitude and switch to your ground scanner, following the heat map or pulse indicators that point to subsurface deposits. Then mine with short, precise laser bursts rather than continuous fire so you conserve energy and modules. This method, you finish by securing the titanium. Move it into dedicated cargo slots or a pourable container to keep your inventory organized and stack items to maximize space. Once done, set a waypoint and return to your ship to reload mining modules and refuel before the next run, because consistent prep keeps runs efficient. If the veins disappear, rescan the local area, shift 50 to 100 meters, or clear nearby surface debris. Often deposits hide under rubble, and a small move reveals new veins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.